Hello Year 1, Mrs Hamilton here. I just wanted to say I'm so impressed with all the work that you've been doing on computing and all the other home learning that you've been completing. Really, really impressive. You're all working so hard and trying your best, which is fantastic and really pleasing to see. So keep up the good work, keep showing us the work that you're doing, getting photographs taken, or if completing the work on Purple Mash, handing it in so that I can see it. And just keep sharing with us as much as you can. Right, so my first question is, who can remember the word that describes a precise step-by-step set of instructions that we use to solve a problem or achieve an objective? Who can remember that word that I've been talking about for the last few weeks? That's correct. It is algorithms. Okay, algorithms. They are sets of instructions that we use to solve a problem or achieve an objective. And we've got some more algorithms that we need to put together in Purple Mash. So we'll be having a little look at those very shortly. I've got some more vocab that you're going to need when we go into Purple Mash. And it's this here, this when clicked. Okay, so we're going to need that when we click an object in Purple Mash. It's then going to have a set of algorithms that make certain actions happen, okay, objectives that we want to achieve to take place. So when clicked, it's an event command, okay, so it's something that we want to happen. It's an event command and it makes the code run when you click on something, okay, so that's its meaning, and we're going to need that very shortly. So we're going to go into Purple Mash now and go into our to-dos to see what the activity I have set for you for this week. So let's have a little look. So we've got Purple Mash and I've sent the login on the home learning sheet. So you put your name in the top here, and in the second box you put your password, and then you click login. Okay, and make sure that it's your name at the top right hand of the screen. Now you'll have your to-dos come up here, so if we click on these to-dos, I'll scroll down to find the one I've set for this lesson. Okay, it's called Fun with Fish. Okay, Fun with Fish. Let's have a little look at this. Right, so the screen will look like this, and move this picture down to here. Okay, the screen will look like this, okay, with 4 different challenges for you to complete. Okay, now it tells us what it is here. So the first one is that we're going to move the tuner right. Okay, so if we click on this here, okay, then this screen comes up and it's a recording of what we need to do. Okay, so I'm going to press this for you to hear.
So in this challenge, the task is to make the tuna fish move right across the screen. And if I press the play button, I can see there's a tuna fish over there, but the fish isn't moving because there are no commands in my code window. And you can see that my console log is helpfully telling me that all there is an empty command and there's nothing for the program to do. So I need to click the stop button to go back to my code window, and you can see I've got a tuna object over here, and I just need to drag this in to my code window, and you can see the orange highlight is going to show me where my command is going to go once I've dropped it. And when I let go, I'll have some options, and I'll need to choose the right action to make the tuna fish move right across the screen. So see if you can do this and see if you can complete the challenge.
Okay, so once that is finished, you press OK. If you're not quite sure what you've got to do, you can always go back to this. It looks like a little piece of film there. If you click on that, okay, it will give you all the different films again for you to run through. Okay, so using your trackpad and your cursor, okay, you're going to See now the tuner is highlighted in yellow. Click on that, drag it over. When it's highlighted orange, you let go of your trackpad, and it comes up with the option of up, down, left or right. Okay, if you want to hear the challenge again, you press the speaker here.
Fish move right.
Okay, so we need to make the tuna fish move right. So we've got up, down, left, right. So it says right, so you just click on right. Now to check that we've done the work correctly, we've got this green arrow here. If you press that, okay, and our tuna is moving right. And you know that you've completed the challenge because up here on the screen it says next challenge. Okay, so once that starts flashing, you can click on that. Now the next challenge is to make the crab move left. And if you need to, you can watch the film again. You can click on a hint. Okay, I'm not going to show this one now because I'm going to talk you through it as well. But if you need to when you come into it, you can listen to that. So let's press this so we can hear it.
Make the crab move left.
Okay, so we keep this set of coding here, okay, and we go over to the crab. See, it's highlighted now around the edges in yellow, and we left click, and using our trackpad, we move that over. Can you see now there's an orange line there, so we've got another set of instructions that we can put in. Okay, so let go, and then it automatically comes up with the up, down, left, and right directional pieces of coding. So it says here, make the crab move left. So we need to choose the left option. Okay, so your screen should look like this when you've completed that. You can press the green arrow to press play, and let's see if it's worked. The crab has started to move, and the tuna and fish is also moving, and we know we've completed it correctly because it says the next challenge. So let's click on the next challenge. Fix the program so the fish move left and right. That's what it's asking us to do. So we've got the tunas going down, the trouts going down, and the clowns going down. Now to change this, okay, you have to click the down. You have to click on this piece of coding here, and it gives you the options of up, down, left, and right. And it's asked us to fix the program so the fish move left and right. So you can choose left or right. I'll choose left for my tuna. My trout, and down, I need to click on the down key and choose either left or right. I think I'll go with right. And then you've got the clownfish. It's going down. You need to click on the down action and choose again left or right. Oh, I might choose left just to be different. Okay, so now it's going to run the codes, and as you will see, so the monkey says, I'm off to celebrate with creamy coding banana cappuccino. Are you ready for the next challenge? Let's say yes. And we have completed our steps. Excellent. So if you feel you can go on to this next activity, and it's using the design mode to add more fish. Okay, try adding clicking events so the fish don't start moving until you click them. So this is where the when clicked key needs to come into place. And again, if you need to listen to this piece of information on the program, you can do, but I shall close that for now. So the when clicked, okay, you have to start the set of coding with when clicked. So I'm going to drag that over. Okay, so you can choose when clicked tuna, when clicked trout, when clicked clownfish. I'm going to choose the clownfish. So when clicked clownfish, the next line of coding has to start with the object that you're going to click. So it has to start with the clownfish. So you go over to here, using your trackpad, your cursor, click on clown, drag it across and release it. Okay, so when clicked clown, is going to, the clownfish is going to move, and we could choose up or down, but the fish, I think it makes more sense to go left or right, so I'm going to choose right. Okay, so let's press play. So nothing happens, okay, until I use my cursor and click, using my trackpad, click on the clownfish, and this is the clownfish here, so watch. Click the clownfish and now it starts to move. The other two fish don't move, okay? But what I want you to do is, if you press the blue square and go back, okay, you can then do another when clicked and choose the tuna or the trout and see if you can get that to move. And if you're feeling really brave, really showing best, you can do another row with the when clicked and choose the other fish. Okay, but I'm going to leave it there and see how well you get on with those challenges. Good luck and enjoy. See you soon. Bye bye.